Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account in Hong Kong. First, navigate to the official PayPal Hong Kong website or download their mobile application. You will then need to select your account type, choosing either a personal account for individual use or a business account if you plan to conduct commercial transactions. Next, input your essential personal information, such as your full name, a valid email address, and your Hong Kong phone number to begin the registration process. After initial setup, you must confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. To unlock full account features, link a Hong Kong bank account or a credit or debit card. This step is crucial for sending and withdrawing funds. Additionally, you may be prompted to complete identity verification, which often involves submitting photos of your Hong Kong ID card and a selfie for biometric confirmation. PayPal offers two main account types, personal and business. A personal account is perfect for individuals who frequently shop online or need to receive money from friends and family. For entrepreneurs, a business account provides advanced features like accepting customer payments, issuing refunds, and sending professional invoices. Both account types enable you to send and receive money internationally, supporting over 200 countries and various currencies. While opening a PayPal account in Hong Kong is free, be aware that transaction fees may apply for certain services, such as international transfers or currency conversions. It is vital to ensure your residential address accurately matches the details on your linked bank account or credit card to avoid issues. For added security, always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access and maintain a clean transaction record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.